we are going to teach the theorems.
Sir, time?
The theorems, first we will see about, there are several types of the theorems. First we will see about Thevenins theorem. What is Thevenins theorem? Okay. Thevenins theorem, it states that any linear active network, the output terminal A and B can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consists of single voltage source in series with single current, single equivalent resistance. That is called as a Thevenins theorem. Here we want to find two important parameters. One is the Thevenins resistance, another one is the Thevenins voltage. These two parameters we want to find. First we will see about what is Thevenins theorem is. Any linear active network, the output terminals A and B can be replaced by a single equivalent circuit consisting of voltage source in series with single equivalent resistance. That is called as a series with single equivalent resistance, and then we find the load current passes through the cycle. This is called as a load resistance. The current flowing through the load resistance is called as a load current. Here we want to find IL. IL, that is nothing but VTH into RTH divided by RTH plus RL. This formula is used to find the load current passes through the circuit. Here already I said it is to find the two important parameters. First is to find RTH. RTH is called as the Thevenins resistance. How will you find the Thevenins resistance? Means we have three important steps involved to find the RTH. The first step is to remove the load resistor. And second step is to remove the voltage source into short circuit. That means to short circuit the voltage source and open circuit the current source. Step 2. Step 3 is to open circuit the current source. And step 4 is to find the equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. In the given circuit. Okay, these are the steps involved to find the Thevenins resistance. Next important parameter is to find the VTH. How to find the VTH is, it is called as a Thevenins voltage. The first step is to remove the load resistor. And second step is to calculate voltage drop across the open circuit terminal. That is called as a VTH. These are the two parameters we want to find the Thevenins voltage. Next we will see about an example problem to find the VTH and RTH. We have taken as a simple problem for finding the Thevenins voltage and Thevenins resistance. Okay. First I will take one simple problem. This problem consists of 3 loops. First it consists of this is an example problem to find the Thevenins voltage and Thevenins resistance. Okay, this is a problem given. We want to find the load current passes through the 6 ohm resistor. Okay, here 6 ohm resistor is called as a RL. In RL resistance we want to find the load current. Okay, already I said it is a two parameters we want to find. First to find the Thevenins resistance. What is the first step is in Thevenins resistance to remove the load resistor, and second step is to short circuit the voltage source, and third step is to open circuit the current source, and then to find the equivalent resistance between the A and B terminal of this one. Okay. First we take it as Thevenins resistance calculations. These are the steps. Step 1 is to remove the load resistor. Second step is to short circuit the voltage source. And third step is to open circuit the current source. And step 4 is to find the equivalent resistance between the terminals A and B. And then redraw the circuit for each steps. In first step to remove the load resistor. In remove the load resistor means this two terminal will be open circuited. This two terminal will be open circuited A and B. And then second step is to short circuit the voltage source. This 20 voltage will be short circuited. Okay, you can start from we calculate the equivalent resistance between the A and B terminal. First, you can see first look 1 ohm and 2 ohm both are in parallel. That's why you will get for 1 ohm is parallel with 2 ohm. Here we are applying the resistance in parallel circuit formula. What is the formula is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. From that 1 ohm is parallel with 2 ohm means 1 into 2 plus 1 plus 2. We will get the answer is 2 divided by 3. Okay, this is the answer we are getting. And then this 2 by 3 is series with the 3 ohm. Again you can add this value. Again when you R equivalent you are getting, that value is parallel with 4 ohm. Again when R equivalent you are getting, that value is series with 5 ohm. Finally you find the R equivalent, that is called as the Thevenins resistance. Okay, next you find the VTH. VTH, how will you find means we will give the solutions. Already the voltage source is already given 20 volts minus plus. This voltage source, this load resistance first step is to open circuit the load resistor means remove the load resistor means it is acts like a open circuit. We want to find the Thevenin voltage across the VTH. That is our aim to find the Thevenin voltage. How will you find this? You can apply the mesh current analysis formula. How many loops you can see? This is a 1, I1, this is I2, this is I3. Okay, I3 will be open circuit, that's why I3 will be 0. You calculated I1 and I2 from this, you are applying for mesh current analysis, you will get the two equations.